Do Zicam Nasal Swabs work? Zicam Nasal Swabs are marketed as a homeopathic remedy to reduce the duration and severity of the common cold. Below is a detailed analysis of how Zicam Nasal Swabs work, their effectiveness, and important considerations. 1. What are Zicam Nasal Swabs? Zicam Nasal Swabs are over-the-counter cold remedies containing zinc, an ingredient believed to help shorten the duration of colds. The swabs are applied directly inside the nostrils. 2. How do Zicam Nasal Swabs work? The active ingredient, zinc gluconate, is thought to interfere with the replication of the cold virus, reduce the severity and duration of cold symptoms when used at the first sign of a cold, provide soothing relief through direct nasal application. 3. Are Zicam Nasal Swabs effective? The effectiveness of Zicam Nasal Swabs is debated. Some studies suggest that zinc can reduce the duration of colds by 1 to 2 days when taken within 24 to 48 hours of symptom onset. Zicam products, including nasal swabs, have mixed reviews, with some users reporting relief and others seeing no significant difference. The FDA has not conclusively proven that Zicam nasal swabs prevent or cure colds, though many users claim positive results. 4. Benefits of Zicam nasal swabs. Convenient and easy to use at the first sign of a cold. Portable and mess-free for on-the-go application. May shorten the duration of cold symptoms when used early. Non-drowsy formula with minimal side effects for most users. 5. Potential drawbacks of Zicam. Nasal swabs. Mixed effectiveness. Not everyone experiences symptom relief. Possible nasal irritation. Some users report burning or stinging upon application. Risk of anosmia. Loss of smell. Previous versions of Zicam nasal products were linked to permanent loss of smell leading to recalls. However, current formulations are considered safer. Limited scientific backing. While zinc is widely studied, evidence on nasal swabs is not conclusive. 6. How to use Zicam nasal swabs correctly. Use at the first sign of a cold for the best results. Insert the swab gently into each nostril and apply as directed. Avoid overuse and follow the package instructions carefully. 7. Are Zicam nasal swabs safe? Zicam nasal swabs are generally safe for short-term use, but discontinue use if you experience nasal irritation or unusual symptoms. Consult a doctor before use if you have nasal conditions or allergies. Not recommended for long-term use or as a preventative measure. 8. Alternatives to Zicam nasal swabs. Zinc lozenges or supplements. Saline nasal sprays for symptom relief. Vitamin C, echinacea, and other natural remedies. Over-the-counter cold medications like decongestants and antihistamines. Zicam nasal swabs may work for some individuals to shorten the duration of colds when used early, but their effectiveness is not guaranteed for everyone. While generally safe, users should follow directions carefully and consider alternative remedies if necessary.